How much should you really spend on a drawing tablet? Because here's the thing, cheap ones can feel frustratingly limited, but expensive doesn't always mean better. I've seen artists return $200 tablets after trying a $51 that just worked. So today, we're cutting through the noise and finding what actually matters for your art. Product number 1, huion H1060p. First up, the huion H1060p at around $58. This tablet stands out with its 10x 6.25-inch active area, one of the largest in this price range. What caught my eye was the 10 ultra-slim design and the fact it comes with 12 customizable hotkeys plus 16 soft keys. If you want a spacious, responsive drawing surface without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 81-92 levels of pressure sensitivity mean your lines respond naturally to how hard you press, just like real pencil on paper. The battery-free stylus never needs charging, so you're never stuck mid-sketch. Plus, the plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support lets you shade like you would with a traditional pencil, something many budget tablets skip. Over 2,000 people bought this last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs align with what serious beginners and hobbyists actually need. Now, some people complained about driver setup being tricky on Linux, especially with Wayland instead of Zorg. Here's the thing though, if you're on Windows or Mac, you'll barely notice. And honestly, most digital artists aren't deep into Linux anyway. The real downside, no included carrying case and the build feels a bit plasticky. But for under $60, you're getting pro-level features. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner stepping up from a tiny tablet or a hobbyist who wants more space and control. Skip this one if you need iOS compatibility or plan to use it primarily with Samsung Galaxy S phones. It doesn't support those yet. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Product number 2, huion H640p. Next, the huion H640p, coming in at just $36. This is one of the most affordable serious drawing tablets out there. Don't let the price fool you. It packs 81-92 pressure levels, a battery-free stylus, and 6 customizable hotkeys. If you want a portable, no-fuss tablet that still feels responsive, this is a solid entry point. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6x4-inch active area is compact but usable, especially if you're working on a small desk or traveling. The stylus feels natural in hand, and the side buttons let you switch between pen and eraser instantly, a small detail that saves tons of time. It works with Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux, so whether you're drawing on a laptop or phone, you're covered. It's also left-hand friendly, which many brands overlook. Over 2,000 units sold last month show it's a popular choice for students and remote workers using it for notes or Zoom whiteboarding too. Now, some users mention the active area feels cramped if you're used to larger tablets. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or doing quick sketches, it's more than enough. The real issue, no tilt support. That means shading at an angle won't register, which can be annoying for artists who like natural pencil-like strokes. Also, the USB cable is a bit short, so you might need an extension. This is perfect for you if you're a student, casual artist, or someone needing a second tablet for travel. Skip this one if you're doing detailed illustrations or rely on tilt shading. For under $40, it's hard to beat for basic digital art and note-taking. Product number 3, UGE M708. Now the UGE M708 at $51.40. This one caught my attention with its 10x6-inch active area and a stylus that claims 16,384 pressure levels, double what most others offer. It also has 8 programmable keys and supports tilt up to 60 degrees. If you want a large, responsive surface with extra precision, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That high pressure sensitivity means smoother gradients and finer control over line weight, ideal for photo retouching or detailed character art. The papery texture surface gives a nice grip, reducing slippage while drawing. It works with Windows, Mac, Android, and even Chrome OS, and supports heavy software like ZBrush and Maya. Over 500 sold last month shows it's gaining traction among serious hobbyists. Now, some users reported driver conflicts. If you've used other tablets before, you have to uninstall old drivers first. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it runs smoothly. The bigger issue, the build quality feels a bit flimsy compared to huion. The buttons are clicky but not very durable, and the tablet itself is lightweight to a fault. It can slide around on your desk if you press too hard. This is perfect for you if you're doing detailed digital painting or 3D modeling prep and want a large workspace. Skip this one if you prioritize build durability or hate dealing with driver setup. For the features, it's a great middle ground option. Product number 4, huion HP. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for mid-sized needs. The huion H950p at $49.73. With an 8x5-inch active area, 8192 pressure levels, and 8 hotkeys, it strikes a balance between portability and functionality. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The size is ideal for most laptops, big enough for comfortable drawing, small enough to fit in a backpack. The battery-free stylus is lightweight and accurate, and the tilt support helps with natural shading. Like other huion tablets, it works across Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android and plays nice with Photoshop, Sai, and Medibang. It's also left-hand adjustable, which is a thoughtful touch. Over 500 sold last month shows it's a trusted pick for remote workers and art students alike. Now, some people complained about the driver software being outdated or hard to find. Here's the thing though, huion's website has improved, and once installed, it works fine. The real downside, the active area is smaller than the H1060p, so if you're used to more space, this might feel tight. Also, no touch ring or extra nibs included, just the basics. This is perfect for you if you're a student, remote worker, or artist who values portability without sacrificing too much space. Skip this one if you need a large drawing area or advanced shortcuts. For under $50, it's a dependable, no-nonsense choice. Product number 5. GAOMON M10K. Finally, the GAOMON M10K at $51.40. This one stands out with a 10x625-inch active area, 10 hotkeys, and a unique touch ring for zooming or brush control. If you want a feature-rich tablet with smooth workflow customization, this could be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The touch ring is a game changer. Instead of reaching for your keyboard to zoom or adjust brush size, you can do it with your fingers right on the tablet. The 8192 pressure levels and battery-free stylus deliver consistent performance, and the papery texture surface feels great under the pen. It works with Windows, Mac, and newer Android versions and supports all major art apps. The included carrying bag and extra nibs are a nice bonus. Over 500 sold last month shows it's appealing to artists who want more control. Now, some users mention the touch ring can be too sensitive, a light swipe might zoom too far. Here's the thing though, you can adjust the sensitivity in the driver so it's manageable. The bigger issue, Android support is limited to versions 11.14, so older phones won't work. Also, the driver requires a clean install. You must uninstall old tablet drivers first, or it won't connect. This is perfect for you if you're doing detailed digital art and want quick access to shortcuts without touching your keyboard. Skip this one if you're on an older Android device or hate software setup. For the features, it's one of the most intuitive tablets under $60. So which one should you pick? If you want the biggest workspace, go for the huion H1060p. Need something ultra-portable? The H640p is your friend. Want high precision and a papery feel? Check out the UGE M708. Prefer a balanced size with solid performance? The H950p delivers. And if you love quick controls, the GAOMON M10K's touch ring is hard to beat.